Hello guys, today we're going to be filming some ceiling fans at my uncle's house here in Quinta. We're going to start right here in the kitchen. First off, this one is an Emerson. I don't know if you can see the logo, but it says Emerson. And now I'm just gonna show off its features. First off, I'm gonna turn on the light. The light even has a dimmer switch. Now I'm going to show the fan, which it has a basic speed control. Starting it off on low. Alrighty, I guess that's the low cycle. Now medium cycle. And finally high. I can really feel this puppy go. Now light, and now powering down. I didn't power it down speed at a time because I figured that would take too much time. But that's the spin down right there. And I'm gonna go get the next one, which is over there in the living room, while the spin down of this one is happening. You may have seen this fan in the background when I was filming that one over there, but there's another Emerson in the living room. Again, it says Emerson, and this one's in the living room. Now, let's see. Oh, that's the lights, not the fan. This switch runs the fan. There we go. I'm not going to do the multiple speeds because there's no simple wall switch to do that, and I can't reach the chain up there. I don't know what speed this is on. I assume medium. Anyways, now I'm moving on to the outside fan. Outside right here is another Emerson, and it's in fact right by the pool where the jacuzzi is ready for me. Alright, now this is an Emerson again. Emerson logo right there. And this one has to be in the worst condition I've seen. I do not think this fan was rated for outdoor use. Just look, the blades are messed up, and the housing looks, I don't know if it's corroded or rusted, but it doesn't look good. And through the vents you can get a good view of the motor. Anyways, I'm about to start this one up. I have a feeling that this fan will get replaced in the future with an outdoor rated fans, maybe a Hunter or a Hampton Bay, hopefully not a Harbor Breeze. Or maybe a Fanimation will replace this one. I don't know. I never really hear about repairs that get done to this place. Anyways, on. It was under that switch right there. It's on high. I can feel this puppy go as well. Man, these Emersons are still doing well, even though they're like 20 years old or so. This is what I call American made. America. Anyways, powering off. There, close the cover. Anyways, now I'm gonna go get some of the other ones. but I won't get the one in the master bedroom because the master bedroom belongs to my uncle, who's the owner of this place, and I don't have permission to go in there. None of us do. Anyways, now I'm moving on. Alrighty, here's the next fan. This is another Emerson. Let's see, Emerson logo. Yep, another Emerson. Well, honestly, pretty much all the fans in this place are made by Emerson except for one. Now this is the switch. Let's see, what speed is this fan on currently? This is medium. I'm gonna go, the chain's actually reachable from here. So I'm gonna go adjust the speed using that. That's off. I assume this is high. Oh yeah, baby, this is high. I can feel the air movement. Now I'm gonna adjust the speed again. What speed's next? Alright, it kind of sounds like a helicopter on high. Same with those Hunter Originals, which this place doesn't have any. Medium? What's the next speed? Is this low or off? I assume that's low. Now I'm gonna go turn it off and switch. Alright, you got a little pull chain action. Now that's it for this one. Now moving on to the next one. Alrighty, now here's the next one. It's another Emerson. Emerson logo again. That's my cousin's couch right there. Ooh, iMac box. I know what my uncle did. He got that new iMac for his house a while ago when he bought this place. And he took his old iMac out here and the box for the new one out here. Anyways, now moving on to the fan. Right, now I'm gonna turn it on and see what speed it's on. It's on high. Now I'm gonna see if I can reach the chain. Emerson logo, better view. This is medium. I actually slept in this room once, but this time it's my parents' room. So anyways, now I'm gonna pull it again. I guess this is low. And I guess after low is off. But I'm not gonna do the off setting because I can just turn off the switch down there. These lights and the fan are not connected. Oh, I'm headed down. God, this bed is bouncy. Now, I'm gonna power off. Now I'm gonna move on to the next room. Alrighty, this is the next fan in me and my sister's room. Well, it's actually my cousin's room, when they stay. That's why there's a P on one side and a T on the other side. Anyways, now this is a Harbor Breeze. This is the only fan in the ceiling fan in the house that's not an Emerson. I assume this fan replaced an Emerson in the past when this place was renovated. I don't get why they decided to keep all the other Emersons but replace one with a Harbor Breeze. And yeah. Now I'm gonna turn the lights on, even though there's always some pretty good light coming from the bathroom right there. Their lights are on. I'm gonna demonstrate the light dimmer. Right, the lights are dimmed now. I'm gonna turn them back on. Now I'm gonna start the fan on low. There we go. That dim is right to get a look at both the fan and the lights. There we go. What can a Harbor Breeze do on low? These Harbor Breezes are way cheaper than Emerson's. I see the blades are kind of warping. If the blades warp on this fan fully, I hope it gets replaced by something good like another Emerson, or maybe even a Hunter, or a Casablanca, or a Hampton Bay, or a Kishler. Alright, there we go, that's low. It's convenient, I don't need to reach up for the pull chains. I'm going to bring it up one notch. I assume that's medium. Now if I bring it up one more, that's high. The reason why I have to keep these lights on throughout the video because this is pretty much the only light in the bedroom. That window is always blinded up, and this bathroom doesn't provide enough light. Alright, there we go. There it is on high. Now I'm going to power it down. Now I can turn the light up. There we go. That'll be pretty much it for today's video. There's one more Emerson in there, but I'm not going in there because I don't have permission. Yeah. I'll see you next video.